Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to test AI prompts in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want to improve your prompts and get more accurate AI responses, this guide will walk you through the testing process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click New Prompt or Create Prompt to start a new session. Next, choose the AI model you want to test. If multiple Gemini models are available, select the one that best matches your use case or begin with the default recommended model. Now enter your prompt into the editor. Be clear about your goal by including the task, desired tone, response format, and any important details you want the AI to follow. Next, click the Run or Generate button and wait for the AI to produce a response. Read the output carefully and compare it with what you expected. If the result isn't accurate enough, edit your prompt by adding more context, changing the wording, or providing clearer instructions. Then generate another response and compare the differences. Repeat this process several times to discover which prompt style gives the most consistent and useful results. Small improvements in wording can make a big difference. Finally, save your best performing prompts so you can reuse them in future projects and maintain consistent AI responses. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to test AI prompts in Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.